attract. This interaction creates something called an electric field. The force of this electric field is what allows for some spiders to defy gravity in a remarkable behavior called ballooning. It typically begins at high, pointy areas where the Earth's electric field is the strongest. First, a spider drops an anchor silk to secure itself. Then, it raises its two front legs in the air and uses special fine hairs to sense wind and electrical conditions. Sort of like a built-in weather station. If the conditions are right, the spider then tiptoes on its back legs, raises its abdomen, and releases its silk to the air. The silk strands are charged, which causes them to repel away from each other rather than tangling. This form of static electricity is just like what happens to your hair after rubbing it with a balloon. Now, ready to set sail, the spider breaks off its anchor line and lifts into the air using the force it gains from the electric field and wind. Once airborne, spiders likely use their legs to balance or control speed during their dangerous journey. Most of these trips are short, but some can last for thousands of miles, drifting along with wherever the breeze takes them. There is still a lot to learn about why certain species of spiders take to the skies. And scientists are still gathering clues about how spiders use electricity to perform this gravity-defying feat.
Spiders, warming on October days, are always ready for a fast, free ride into new hunting grounds. And lacking wings, they use their own specialty to catch the wind: silk. It's called ballooning, and it's an ingenious way to fly distances that range from a few yards to many miles. It's normally thought of as a way for new hatchling spiders to disperse from their egg sacs. They build a nursery web, venture to twig and leaf points, and then throw out silk that is caught by the breeze. This carries them aloft to new homes. But in stronger winds, ballooning also works for bigger and heavier spiders. These climb to open spaces with full access to moving air, and they wait for gusts that can take them airborne. Standing straight up with abdomens held high, they fire jets of silk from their spinnerets. And when the tug of wind is sufficient, they let go to sail away. While waiting, they may fight and jostle for the best positions. And many sizes and kinds of spiders may be present. But patience pays off, and soon all will get the ride they're looking for. If a breeze fails on takeoff, they simply climb back up to try again. It's seldom seen, and few people are aware of flying spiders. But it's extremely common, especially in fall, and evidence is found in vast amounts of silvery thread that wave in the wind. The spiders simply ride their silken strands until they land, and then they set up camp in their new surroundings. Ballooning. What a way for free airfare.